Okay, this is a video tutorial on how to use your telephone as a scanner and how to send a scanned PDF document as a file in Gmail. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to get the appropriate software to scan a document. I use Microsoft Office Lens, and the reason I use that is A, it's free, and B, it's from Microsoft, so at least I know I'm getting a piece of software that's reasonably reputable. And to get that, you're going to want to go to whatever app store you're using, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And then you're going to want to do a search, and we're going to search for Office Lens. And here at the top, you'll see Office Lens. Now, I already have it installed on my cell phone. So once you have that completed, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the Office Lens and you're going to open that up. And now we're going to come over here to where I have this document. Now, this is a document that is on my table, and it is just a some sample slides from an Algebra 2 presentation. And you'll notice right away that Office Lens here is putting a little box around the pieces of paper that I'm going to try and scan. And what it's doing is it's trying to find the edges so that it will only record the actual document that we're trying to look at. So I'm going to hit this little button here in the middle, and we see that it already gives us one good slide. Now, if we want to do multiple pages, down in the lower left-hand corner, there's an Add New button. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to take me right back to my picture again, and you can see it's trying to scan. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull that slide off, page off, and I'm going to scan my next page here, and we'll hit scan there. It likes that. We'll take another paper off, get a nice, make that a little neater. And we will get a good scan there. And then one more page. Let's see, it's not getting me very good. We'll get it. There we go. Hit enter, and now that I've scanned all the pages, you'll notice there's a little red arrow with a 4 by it. I'm going to hit that. And that's going to bring me into the edit window, and you'll see that all 4 of those pages are linked together, and you can do a little editing. You may notice that on this third one, I have a little bit of extra along the top. Along the top here, you have some editing features, and if you hit that crop tool right there in the middle, you can change the edges a little bit to make them look real nice, and hit done. And once you have all of your pages the way that you want them, it's time to save them as a PDF document. So you're going to hit the done key in the lower right hand, and it'll bring you up to a save window. You have some options here. We want to make this into a PDF form, so you'll notice along the right-hand side, I have a check mark in the PDF window. You can make it any of those things that you want. If you want to make it a picture, you could do that. Oops. And it'll actually save 2 separate ones, a picture in the gallery and a PDF in the OneDrive. You're going to have to set up the settings so that you can save it in the place that you want. I suggest maybe downloading OneDrive onto your cell phone as well. It's another Microsoft cloud-based storage feature that's really nice to have. So I want to change the title, and we're going to make this, we're just going to call this Presentation Sample. I don't know why I'm making it so complex, but we're going to do that. Hit done. We're going to hit save, and it's going to go to transfer that. And now that it's transferred, you'll see I have presentation sample up there on the upper right hand side. Now if I want to send that as an email, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click out of that. I'm going to go to my Gmail, And here is my Gmail, and I've got some other things going on, but we're going to compose a new file, and it's from me. You can send whatever, send it to whomever, just type in the appropriate email address. But what we're going to do is we're going to hit this little the paper clip in the upper right hand corner, and we're going to attach a file. Now, I have my Office Lens already up, but you can see there are a number of different places that you can search for. So you're going to have to search for your OneDrive. And here I'm going to go and I'm going to find presentation sample. I've got a lot of PDFs. I should clean it out a little bit. Presentation sample. I'm going to click on that. And it is going to attach. Now that's the big difference here. You want to make sure you have it as an attachment, not as a link. And then once you have that set up, you're going to hit send, and it will go off to whoever you want to send it to. Hope this helps.